Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the Sinhala letter Kayan. So the letter looks like this, very beautiful. So the letter name is Kayan. 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 So the pronunciation of the letter in a word is K or Ka. K or Ka. So now let's start learning to write Kayan.
And curve, and then we go all the way down, other curve, and a pointed like thing, and then that's the complete letter. Once again, curve, go all the way down, another curve, yeah, nice, round, perfect. Once more. Go up, touch the first line, come down. Yeah.
So now let's have a look at words starting with Kayan. So the first one is Khalisama. 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 Khalisama is trouser. You can say these words over and over again to make sure that your pronunciation is perfect. Khalisama is trouser. Next one is a color. Very easy pronunciation. Kalu. Kalu. Kalu is black. Next one is cutter. Cutter. Cutter is mouth. Cutter is mouth. Kand. Kand. Kand is mountain. Katu. Katu. Katu is thorns. Katu is thorns. Kaputa. 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 Kaputa is crow. Kaputa is crow. Next one is Kambaya. Kambaya. Please note the MB. It makes an B sound, not B. It's B. Kambaya. Kambaya. Kambaya is low. Kambaya is low. Kadua. Kadua. Kadua is sword. Kadua is sword. Kabaya. Kabaya is coat. Let's do a quick recap. Khalisama is trouser. Kalu is black. Kata is mouth. Kanda is mountain. Katu is thorn. Kaputa is crow. Kambaya is rope. Kadua is sword. Kabaya is coat. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Have a nice day. We'll meet in another video. Bye.